So if you've been following the channel, I've tried every scent in the Frederic Malle Discovery set that they're offering right now. All of these guys, none of them really did it for me. Bigger Red Concentrate I really liked, but the longevity wasn't crazy. But this one, this is their newest. This is their latest and greatest. Uncut Gem by Maurice Roucel. The guy who did Musk Ravageur. One of their classics, one of their hits. One of Frederic Malle's best scents, right? Supposedly, the story behind this was it was the scent that Maurice himself would wear. And it wasn't something he sold. And Frederic Malle said, "What are you wearing? I want that." Eventually, they worked it out. They tweaked it a bit. That's what we're getting. So, let's pop this guy open. This is my first actual boxed Frederic Malle scent. So you pop this little cardboard guy off. What do we got? This slides open. And there we have... I thought it was damaged. Some sort of dust or leakage or something on the label. Uncut Gem. They rose the price. This thing was a whopping $420 direct from the Frederic Malle site. I'm gonna give it a shot. Let me tell you what they say about it, because the whole thing with all of his is they've got something crazy. And like I said, I tried a bunch of these. I read off all the things. If you want to see me try those, please hit that subscribe button. Go check out my video, link above. Well, to one of them anyways. That was a time. So for this one, and this is our guy, remember? This is Maurice. He's crafted this thing. Uncompromising, bold, filled with enigmatic charm. Based on master perfumer Maurice Roucel's personal cologne, Uncut Gem is an unapologetically manly scent. Diamond hard and absolutely fresh. Who writes this shit? Clear, spicy, top notes of ginger. Bergamot, mandarin, angelic root, and nutmeg lead you to the sensual fire within. A leathery accord, vetiver, frankincense, generous amounts of amber, and a musk that vibrates with the skin. This is a scent that plays with the tired codes of masculinity while extracting their telluric force to create something beautiful and irresistible. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Unapologetically manly, diamond hard, and absolutely fresh. That guy. Well, let's see after we spray this if we're diamond hard. How about that? Good God. I like the bottle. This feels cheap, this wrapper around it, especially since I got it with all these markings on it. Kind of weak. Whatever. Oh, that does smell great. Holy cow. They mentioned the ginger. The ginger, that spicy ginger, jumps out at you immediately. Hits you in the face. Wow. Okay. This smells good, guys. I don't think I reacted this way to any of the other ones. Super fresh, clean. There's a lot of depth to it. Oh, what else do they say is in here? Yeah, bergamot. Yeah, there's some, the ginger citrus kind of top there. Nutmeg, yeah, you smell the nutmeg. But then it's saying as it dries down, there's that leathery accord coming out that they mentioned. You can smell the vetiver. I admittedly don't know what half these things smell like. Definitely amber, and then that musky base. And I assume the amber and the musk really come out as this dries down. I'm really looking forward to wearing this. And my plan is still to kind of split out most of the bottle, because I can't justify buying scents like this to keep. But I might be keeping more than I anticipated. I'm going to keep wearing this. Wow, this smells great. I'm going to put some on now. Guys, this is... Do I ever react like this to anything I ever put on? No. Never. Oh my God. That's big. That's bold. That's fantastic. Good stuff. Okay. You got me. I'm diamond hard. Diamond hard and absolutely fresh. Uncut Gem. You did it, Maurice. You did it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, buddy. Great scent. When would you wear this? Definitely not a summer scent. Cooler weather. Definitely cooler. It's very bold. That leathery accord. Any leather scent, you're typically not putting on during the summer. Typically. Good thing we're marching into fall here. Fall has begun. Autumn, if you will. I think it's the perfect weather for this. This is a good one. Check it out. I recommend it, I think. Like I said, stay tuned. I'll tell you more about it. We'll talk about some scents I've reviewed soon here. Give you my final thoughts on them. Another one I've been wearing was that H24 Eau de Parfum. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Have a comparison to another scent, though, I wasn't thinking of. Point is, stick around, guys. Thanks for tuning in. That's Frederic Malle, Maurice Roucel, Uncut Gem. I'm Poppy. This is Poppy Style. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried this, what you think of it. If there's other Frederic Malles I need to try. Like I said, I've tried all of these. I got a couple more samples that came with it. So I'll probably give those a shot. See what I think. Something de l'hiver. Synthetic Jungle, I think is one I got. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care.